morning to all. My name is Nandika. I am studying in grade 9 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to explain the Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Ernest Rutherford was discovered the nuclear theory of an atoms with his gold foil experiment. Now I am going to explain how the gold foil experiment is used. A piece of gold foil heated with the alpha particles which have the positively charged and mostly alpha particles went right through. This showed the gold atoms were mostly empty spaced. This is the explanation for Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Naranjan. I am studying grade 9 in Mount Literacy School. Today I am going to explain Rutherford's gold foil experiment with the help of a model. This is the model of Rutherford's gold foil experiment. This is the infrared ray source which is positively charged. These are the infrared rays. This is the gold foil. This is a detecting screen. From this infrared ray source, the positively charged infrared rays are passing through the gold foil. In some place, there will be the atom has free spaces, so the infrared rays directly passing through it. In some space, there are proton is present which is positively charged. So this infrared rays will be repelled to the direction which it came, and sometime it will be deflected here because of electron. Thank you.
Good morning. I am A. Raj from grade 9 studying in Mount Literacy School. Today I have made the project of gold foil experiment. This is the infrared source. This is the gold foil. This is detecting screen. The infrared source gives the rays and it passes through because of space in atom. Some of the rays repel because the space given by protons. Some of the rays will repel after the passing. It is because of electrons. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Harisudan. I am studying grade 9 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to explain the Rutherford gold foil experiment with the help of a model. This is my model. This is the infrared ray source. These are the infrared rays. This is the gold and this is the detecting screen. By the infrared ray source, the positively charged rays are passed through the gold. In some place, the atom will space. Space means free space. By the free space, the infrared rays are passed through the gold like a straight line. In some space, the protons were present, which contains positive charge, so that this infrared rays will repel to direction which it came. In some place, the infrared rays repel because of electrons. This infrared rays source contains all positive charge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Hemavati of grade 9 studying in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School. Now we are going to see gold foil experiment. This is the infrared ray source which contains positive charge. This is detecting screen, gold foil and the infrared rays. From this infrared ray source, the rays goes to the gold foil. Sometimes atoms give space and the rays go straightly, and here when the rays goes to the gold foil and repels to the place where it comes from, this is because of protons, and the rays which is reflected is because of electrons. Thank you.